Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and I would love to share the supplements my husband and I have been taking, Vital Reds by Dr. Gundry. After knowing the benefits of polyphenols, we chose this Vital Reds. This has 34 polyphenol-rich superfruits. We are loving this stuff. Not only is it great for us, but it's also super delicious. You can either take this as a cold beverage. It tastes like a berry juice. You can even add some ice and make it like this summer cool drink. And I also love blending it with my smoothies with a vanilla protein smoothie. It mixes great. I put some goat yogurt, some strawberries, and this is a delicious berry smoothie. My husband and I are hooked with this supplement. We can literally take it all day. We know it's great for us. We love that it's super clean, and we really love the energy it provides. This has probiotic. It even improves our skin and the appearance. We have been loving it, and we would highly recommend this. If it wasn't for this Vital Red supplement, there's no way we could nourish our body with all these superfruits, but that's just our point of view.